Yeah, buddy. Hey guys, I know you guys been questioning, asking questions. What's going on with Hope? Our 1951 Chrysler Saratoga 8-passenger limousine, the last one left in the United States of America. That's what I know of. That's what I know of. Fact. Outside the United States, I don't know. Okay. Last time you guys saw, I drove it across the street, drove it over here, because we're getting ready to do body work on it and all. But then I needed a wide pipe, because the wide pipe was rusted. Problem is, I started taking it out, and it was completely rusted. I had to actually cut it out. But the exhaust manifold bolts were broken into the head. So, here's Hope. We're taking out the engine. This engine is heavy. This is a clutch. This is an automatic clutch, guys. It's an automatic, but it has a clutch. You push in the clutch one time, put it in gear, and then that's it. So, Harley running around here like he's crazy. I don't know what are you doing, Harley? All right, so I'm about to pull it out and show you. You can see there's the bell housing with the shaft going to it. There's the clutch right on the back of it. So, and this, look at that eyelet. This thing got some weight, man. It sucked. I had to actually, because there was no way I was gonna get it high enough. So what I had to do was take out the radiator support and some bar. So if my uncle sees this, Jesus Christ, I don't know how they worked on cars back then. I'd rather work on the cars today, man. This thing is heavy. So, I just cleaned up a little bit. Dang it. Kicking stuff all over the place. So what I'm going to do is, let me move that out the way, move this out the way. I got to jack this up some more to get it to clear. And then I'll bring it out, and then we're going to go over this thing together. Look at this thing together. What's going to happen here is, I found a place in Raleigh that's about 50 miles away. And what they're going to do is they're going to... Look at this, man. This is a sign that either they know what they're doing or they don't know a damn thing what they're doing. But I know what I'm doing. So that's from war. Huh. Yeah. So they're going to make a... I'm going to bring them the whole engine and everything on a stand. I don't even know if this thing gonna fit. I don't know if the stand is gonna be able to hold this. The bolts. There's no way, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But we're gonna take it to Raleigh, and they're gonna make us a wide pipe for it. I'm getting another exhaust mount. Enough of this talking. Let me bring this engine out, and then I'm gonna show you guys. God, was this thing is heavy. Oh my God, look at it, guys. That's Chrysler's first Hemi engine. 331 cubic inch. Look at this thing, man. Look at that block. My goodness, this thing. That's the oil filter right there. Take the oil filter out and put it in there. Yeah. Maybe I would put a new clutch in it and all. This clutch grab good. Look at that. The whole thing is like part of the... It's like the bell housing is part of the engine, man. You don't see that anymore. This piece is supposed to come off, but they had some broken bolts in there that I gotta take out. All right, look out. Let me see if I can back up. See how... No, it's too much light there. Let me see if I can go this way. I gotta hurry and get this thing down to the ground, man. That thing is heavy as anything. But before we do, let's go around here. This is the exhaust manifold that we got. You can see, look at that, broken right there. Up under there, right there. So that exhaust manifold is no good. Also, this motor mount bracket, I can weld that if need be. You can see that starting to come off right there. But that's how these engines were, man. This is the only one. Put it this way, I saw somebody on eBay selling one of these engines just like it is. He's not sure whether it runs or not, and he wanted I think it was like $12.95, $1,300 for one that don't even know. I know this baby runs. Yeah, buddy, look at that 331 sitting up there. The boss. That's the true boss. Alright, so that's my update. We can go over here. Look inside the engine area. There it is. Can you believe that? An automatic clutch. Alright, so I'll get stay tuned for next update, guys. Take care.